Hi, hello.
Hello, how are
How are
you?
you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, Alhamdulillah. Thanks for asking.
What have you been doing this week?
I did a lot of things. I did some shopping and I serviced my AC. I cleaned my room,
Important.
and that's all.
Nice. Sounds pretty productive. That's good.
So, I was very much surprised to know your routine
Why?
because uh, you sleep early and you wake up early. So you are my what should I say? Inspiration.
It's not necessary. It depends on your natural rhythm, I think.
I practiced the word YEAR. Okay, and I'm pronouncing it. Let me know whether I am articulating it
Okay.
correctly or not. Year, year,
Yeah.
year, year.
Yes. Very nice. Good job.
Thanks God.
Alhamdulillah.
You also know this word. People say it there.
Yeah.
How many words have you learned from there?
Only ones like that.
And what about mashallah or inshallah?
Mashallah, inshallah, alhamdulillah. There was another, yeah, and the saha. I think it's a little bit different.
Okay. It's for okay?
For it's kind of like
Yes.
good health.
Okay.
Yeah, but
I didn't know this.
I think in Morocco it's a bit different than in Saudi Arabia, this word.
Maybe.
Some of my Saudi students recognized it, but they pronounce it a little bit different, or it's used a little bit differently. But that one, you can say it for everything.
I'm also trying to learn Arabic as well. Let's see.
Are you finding it difficult?
Yes, in the beginning it was easy,
Hmm.
but now I find it difficult.
Because of the language or for another reason?
Because of the complications it has, and I try to absorb one lesson with a lot of difficulty, but I find that there is another thing which is more difficult than the one I have just learned. So, and I think it needs practice, and there is some fault at me as well because I'm not practicing. So, what do you think? What is the difference in education and teaching over here and in Canada?
I haven't been a teacher in Canada. I've only worked abroad.
Wow. And what you used to do over there?
Well, I graduated university, and then I worked in some restaurants for the summer, and then I moved to Korea.
There was another question in my mind, and I forgot.
Okay, maybe you'll remember. I think that the family dynamic in Canada is so different from other countries, especially in comparison to countries where family and collectivism is more, I guess, more important.
So, which system do you think is more beneficial for the society?
I don't know. It's so hard to say because I'm so individualistic. I'm a bit selfish. I want to do what I want. What do you think?
I think that collectivism is better because when you live together, maybe you need someone's help, maybe other siblings need you and your guidance, maybe your parents need your help. So if you live together, it will make the bond stronger. This is what I think.
Yeah. And there's a lot of research that shows that having a strong community, your family and your close friends, is the number one indicator of how long you live and how healthy you are.
Okay.
And of course, whether you're depressed or other things like that. But it's the number one indicator for longevity.